Welcome back to Medina County, Texas GMRS. It's been a few weeks since I've seen y'all. I'll explain it, and I'm also going to do something I forgot to do in the review on this RT99. I can't believe that I screwed up and totally missed it. So I'll tell you what I missed, and I'll tell you why I've been gone for a couple of weeks right after this. All right. So been real busy with work, been traveling a lot, have not had a lot of time to make any type of video or anything. And about a week or so ago, my dad got in a really bad accident, is in the hospital. He's looking like he's going to recover. So I'm feeling good about that. May not be walking for a while, but he's a tough old son of a bitch, and I'm sure he's going to be fine. So wishing him the best. So I'm glad to be back to making some videos for you guys. I've had a lot of questions over the last couple of weeks, and once again, my apologies for the slow responses and not having any videos out, especially to the, I think it's 705 subscribers that we have now. So thanks to all y'all for your support, kind thoughts, the members of the group who reached out and, you know, saying prayers for my dad and everything else. So thank you so much to anybody who's messaged. So the thing I forgot, I did the review on this Retevis RT99. I never tested the power on it. And I don't know what the hell I was thinking, and I'm surprised some of y'all never caught it. Actually, Dave, WRPY682, is the one who reminded me of it just the other day. So I figured, well, what the hell? Let me go back, do a quick video for everybody. I got the old bird hooked up here, and we're gonna give it a power test. Now, I do want to show you. You're gonna be surprised, but God, and I don't know if you can see it or not. It's advertised as a 50-watt VHF, 40-watt UHF. Now, keep in mind this is a ham radio, and I'll link this video on the RT99 review. So 50 watts VHF, 40 watts UHF, but we're working up on the GMRS channels. Once again, this is designed as a ham radio. So I'm going to move you in closer. Well, I don't know. Maybe I can get the bird over here. Let's see. I got it all wired up. I'll do a picture also. But to key this up, I don't even have to have a mic plugged into the radio. I'm just going to come over to the app and key up. And if you can see that, it's the middle set of numbers. We're looking at about 27 watts. Once again, I'll take a snapshot and put it in there for you. But in the GMRS channels, this Retevis RT99 is only putting out about 27 watts or so. That's right out the back of the radio, just so you can see. I know the cables are a little long. Somebody will give me crap for it, but what do? I mean, we might be losing a watt in the cables, but if you're losing a watt in the cables, that means you're losing several watts going up to the antenna, right? So either way, 27 watts. Let's just call it, all right? So I wanted to do this for you guys, and I'm sorry I missed it. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I guess I got in a rush. Damn you guys. So hope that helps. If you're looking for full power, the full close to 50 watts as you can get, this isn't the radio you want. It's a good radio. As I said in the video, it's very cool with all the mapping features and everything else. But if you're hell bent on getting as close to 50 watts as possible, this ain't the dog for you. All right, that's it. Please come join us on Facebook. Tell your friends about my channel if they're into GMRS. Subscribe to the channel, like my videos, share my videos. And once again, thanks to all of you wonderful people who sent prayers out to my dad. Work is slowing down a little bit, but I definitely want to get some more videos up. We got the VTech GMRS 20V2 review coming up. I've been promising that for a while. Just with everything going on, I wasn't able to do it. So I'll talk to y'all soon. I hope you have a great day. Leave your comments below. Just say hi. It doesn't matter. I don't care what you say. Just say something. I love responding to each and every one of them. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching, and I greatly appreciate you.